Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and you're excited for today's recipe. As promised in my last video, today I am going to share the recipe for the yummiest and the healthiest version of broccoli. We will be making broccoli bites. We'll start by properly washing broccoli florets under running water and then put it in boiling water with salt and turmeric for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the florets are tender, transfer it to cold water and it's ready to use. Now pulse the broccoli floret a few times in a mixie or in a chopper. Take paneer. You can either grate it if it is hard or just crumble it with hands. Take 2 green chilies and 1 small onion, little coriander leaves and mint leaves, and chop everything finely. Crush 2-inch ginger, 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Now in a bowl, put the finely chopped broccoli, onion, green chilies, coriander and mint leaves. I have taken 1 cup of broccoli. Add 1 cup of grated paneer, and ginger garlic paste. Then add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. For breadcrumbs, take 3 to 4 bread slices in a grinding jar and pulse it few times, and your breadcrumbs are ready to use for binding purpose. You can replace breadcrumbs with boiled potatoes too. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and finally salt as per taste. First mix everything well using a spoon or a spatula. Then use your hands to mix everything well and bind it. If it feels too watery, add breadcrumbs and roasted rava, leave it for 15 minutes. Give it the shape as you like and sprinkle some white sesame seeds, which is optional. As we are making a healthier version with as little oil as possible, try to shape your cutlets a little thinner than the usual. We will not be shallow frying it. In a pan with very little oil, let it cook for 10 minutes on each side on low to medium flame. And your broccoli bites are ready to serve. You can serve this with my healthy green chutney. The recipe for the same will be shared in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Stay healthy and stay happy.